You could learn a lot from a dummy. Buckle your safety belt.
Jalan muka. Kaca masuk muka siap.
1, 2, 1, 2. Larry, you know, this simple exercise can help you stay healthy, which keeps medical costs down.
But you gotta do it every day, Gus.
Boleh?
We never wear safety belts. We're dummies.
Weisenheimer's.
He gave us a ticket.
Man's gotta do what he's gotta do.
Cuts, broken bones, a crushed chest. The films show it all. Looking closer, in slow motion, you see that what looked like one crash was actually two. The first crash is the car hitting the wall. In only 1/10 of a second, the car is stopped.
not-so-fun fact, Vince.
And what is that, your Larry-ness?
A rollover happens every 10 minutes.
How long have we been driving?
9 minutes and 58. To prove how safety belts save lives.
But thousands die every year in car accidents because they don't buckle.
Yeah, I hope he's okay. I don't believe that.
For this race driver, the helmet, and especially the safety belt, helped to save his life. But that's in a race car, right? What happens when a regular car crashes? In crash tests, you can see what would happen to the cars and the people inside. But nothing makes the people stop. They keep going until something inside the car stops them. Like the steering wheel, or instrument panel, or windshield. This is the second crash, when the people hit something. Wearing safety belts really helps. You can see how in this crash test film. Just the simple act of buckling up. Wearing safety belts holds you while the car takes the force of the crash. If you wear safety belts, they'll help prevent you from being thrown from the car in an accident. If you get thrown out, you are more likely to be killed or injured. And as you can see, the only restraints used in these tests were safety belts. Safety belts do help. They save lives.
You could learn a lot from a dummy. Buckle your safety belt.
That's it. Time, history, end of the road.
You can't quit, Vince. No crash dummy takes out a utility pole like you do.
Larry, for years I've been proving how safety belts save lives, but nobody's listening.
Sure they are.
Yeah, that's why thousands die in car accidents every year. I feel like I'm banging my head against the wall.
Come on, Vince. Tomorrow's the big day. 2 compacts. Head on.
High speed?
Could save a life.
I'll be there.
Hello, third graders. My name is Vince, and this is my friend Larry. We're dummies.
What Vince means to say is that we are crash test dummies. We ride in cars without wearing safety belts to show people what can happen when they don't wear their safety belts.
Today, an officer will talk to you about safety belts. We want you to listen very carefully because the officer is only talking to third graders. Everyone knows that third graders are smart.
Hey, Vince,
What, Larry?
I have a great idea. Let's show this class what we do when we're not talking to them about safety belts.
Oh, Larry, then everyone will know what dummies we are for not wearing safety belts.
That's okay. Everyone knows only dummies don't wear safety belts.
We are the dummies crashing on through, busting our heads just for you.